Hello everyone, welcome back to the Git tutorials. These tutorials are brought to you by ZDub Technologies and Services. In this video, we are going to see that how can we download and install Git Bash on our system. So if you just Google Git Bash, then you will see its official definition that Git Bash is a source control management system for Windows, and it allows the users to type Git commands that make source code management easier through versioning and commit history. Git Bash is not a GUI software, it is a command line prompt, which means that you need to enter your commands through the keyboard in Git Bash, and these are some of the images of Git Bash. So basically in this video we are going to see that how can we install Git Bash for ourselves. Now Git Bash is something that works on the Windows system. So basically it actually works with each and every operating system, but I'm going to show you how to download it in the Windows system because I'm having a Windows operating system. Okay, so for this purpose you can simply just search for Git Bash on your favorite search engine and go to the first link, that is downloads Git. Or you can just directly type this link, that is git-scm.com/downloads. From here you can just select your your operating system version, which is Microsoft Windows in my case. You can just click on it, and as soon as you click on it, what would happen is your download will start. You would be able to download the Git software for yourself. Like you can see, your download is starting. So this is the kind of the download it is that would be installed. So in my case I have already installed it, so I'm not going to reinstall it. I'm just going to go to the place where I have stored it. So it is here. You can see this Git setup is here. So what I can do is I can just double click on it and the download will start, or the installing will start. So for the installing, there are the steps that you need to follow and you need to exactly follow them. So please make sure that you are with me till the end of the video. You can just click on next from here. This is the place where all the files or the Git would be installed in your computer. The default path is in the program files /git. If you want to change it, you can just change it, but it is recommended not to change it. Then you can click on next. Now if you want to create a Git Bash icon on the desktop, you can just check this option. I'm not trying to do that, so I'm going to leave it unchecked. Then click on next. So if you want to create a folder for Git in start menu, you can just create it. I don't want to create it, so I'm just clicking on don't create a start menu folder. Then click on next. Now from here you can select the different editors. These editors would be the default editors for Git. Now if you have Notepad++ or you are comfortable with like Visual Studio Code or Sublime Text or Atom or any other editor, you can just work with it. I'm just going to keep Vim as my default editor because it is powerful and I'm pretty comfortable with it. Then you can click on next. Now this is an important thing. Here you have to select this option, the path environment option. This one, the Git from the command line and also from third-party software. This is what option you need to select. Okay. Then you can click on next. And in the case of HTTPS transport backend, you need to make sure that the OpenSSL library, the first option, is checked. Then click on next. In the case of configuring the line ending conversations, you need to make sure that the checkout Windows style commit Unix style line endings is checked. This option is checked. Then click on next. Here you make sure that this min TTY option is selected. Next. And here you can make sure that the default behavior is selected for fast forward and merge. And for a credential helper, you need to make sure that this one is selected, that is the Git credential manager. And in the case of extra options, make sure that this file system caching is set to or is checked. Okay, then you can click on next, and you do not need to check this sudo consoles and click on install. So your Git Bash will install in a while. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.